Modern learning technologies. We use cutting-edge methodologies and platforms for maximum learning efficiency.
Hello there. My name is Dr. Aga. I want to welcome you to this beautiful program called CCSCAT. CCSCAT is Central Content Source Computer Aided Teaching System. It's a system where we're going to utilize the potentials of the computer in knowledge delivery. Are you a teacher? Are you a lecturer? Are you a facilitator? This program is going to build you up. You will learn how to build lessons, how to use PowerPoint, how to connect your PowerPoint file to video files, connect it to PDF files, okay? How to carry out recorded lessons of yourself, okay? You can have a lecture, you record it, and you give it to your students. I'll teach you how to write on the screen, okay? You want to write, especially those in sciences, you want to solve calculations on the screen, live, real time. I will teach you everything. All you need to do, the tools you need to buy, I'll put you through all those. So you need a lot. You're going to gain a lot in the course of this program. There are some tools I'll give to you. They're going to download. Some are free. Some you need to buy. I'll give you the link to actually acquire them. So you're welcome on board as you become a professional teacher, a professional lecturer, and a professional facilitator.